welcome back. I scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Python Fundamentals assessment. In this video, I will share the exact answers, no explanation, straight to the point. Let's get started. Which of the following functions cannot be used on heterogeneous sets? Correct answer is sum. Next, Python supports the creation of anonymous functions at runtime using a construct called. The correct answer is lambda. Next, does lambda contains return statements? Correct answer is false. Next, what are the two main types of functions? Correct answer is built-in function and user-defined function. Next, which of the following is not true about dictionary keys? Correct answer is key must be integers. Next, dictionary makes use of. Correct answer is key value. Next, what is the data type for parenthesis 1? Correct answer is integer. Next, which of these about a dictionary is false? Correct answer is the key of dictionary can be accessed using values. Next, Python list cannot be indexed. State true or false. Correct answer is false. Next, what are the main properties of Python list? Correct answer is all of the above. Next, what type of data is A? Correct answer is list of tuples. Next, tuples cannot be made by keys of dictionary. State true or false. Correct answer is false. Next, which of the following is not a keyword? Correct answer is eval. Next, the value of the expression 1 and expression 2 is the same. State whether true or false. Correct answer is true. Next, what arithmetic operators cannot be used with strings? Correct answer is multiplication. Next, which of the following represents the bitwise XOR operator? Correct answer is caret symbol. Next, which of the following is not a core data type? Correct answer is class. Next, what is the maximum length of an identifier? Correct answer is none of the above. Next, all keywords in Python are capitalized. Is it true? Correct answer is false. Next, what is the output of this expression? Correct answer is 3. Next, which one of these is floor division? Correct answer is double forward slash. Next, program code making use of a given module is called. Correct answer is client. Next, is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Correct answer is true. Next, syntax error in Python is detected by. Correct answer is interpreter runtime. Next, what is output of hello dot replace L with E? Correct answer is option 4. Next, which of the following uses in operator to check an item init or not? Correct answer is all of the above. Next, which keyword is used for function? Correct answer is def. Next, what is the return type of function ID? Correct answer is int. Next, which of the following statement is true about class attributes? Correct answer is both 1 and 4. Next, what error occurs when you execute apple is equal to mango? Correct answer is name error. Alright, we have answered all the questions. Let's submit the assessment. Before submit your assessment, please make sure you have reviewed all your answers as you will not be able to make any changes after submission. And here is the result. We cleared the Infosys Springboard Python Fundamentals assessment with full marks. And that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more assessment solutions. Comment below if you want me to cover other Springboard assessments. Thank you for watching.